Hi, I'm so glad you're here at Painted By. Today we're going to paint this darling cute Santa for the holidays. Now, before we get started, if you could do me a favor and subscribe so that I can continue making these free tutorials for you. And here's the supply list that we need for today. All right, let's grab your pencils and get sketching. First, right in the middle of the page, I'm going to start with Santa's nose, and we're going to work his mustache out through each side. These are all just basic lines, just swoops, big U's, upside down U's. And I'm going to do two little curves down here for his lips to show his mouth. All right, coming up from this side of the mustache is going to be his face, his cheeks. And I'm not liking that big curve, so I'm going to fix that real quick. Right on the outside of the face, we're going to mark where his hat starts and ends. And just do a nice bump. And then the bump on top. We'll have his hat kind of flop over to the left side with the fuzzy ball. And the eyes, mine are going to be closed and rounded. You can do what you want. Let's do the eyebrows. All right, now let's work on the beard. So I'm just doing small little strokes to symbolize the hair. And then we're going to shape it down to come to a point. It ain't Santa without his big white beard. Okay, yes. All right, we need a little line right here just to show the flop of the hat a little bit better. All right, let's start painting. I'm going to grab my skin color, which is just kind of a red mixed with yellow. You can add some browns depending on how dark you want this. And let's go ahead and paint. I'm going to leave the eyebrows because I want those to be white. And I'm going to leave the nose too. Oh, got a little in the eyebrow. And then the lip down here. Okay, now I'm going to work on the beard, but I want to add some shadow and depth to it. So I'm grabbing just a little bit of warm yellow mixed with gray, super, super watery. And I'm just going to make some marks here. There's not much method to this other than where I think some shadow would be. Now I'm going to rinse my brush and get it wet. And I'm just going to go right next to these colors just so they bleed a little bit. I just want it to be a little bit messy. Okay. I like how this is going. All right, I'm going to grab a little bit more and do the mustache. Not very much. And then also a little bit on the eyebrows. Just a tiny bit. Just so that it isn't this stark white. Okay, and then also on the white fluff part of the hat, we're going to do the same thing. and on the little ball. Okay, just kind of smoothing it out now. I'm not going to work too much on the paper. Okay, I'm really liking how this is looking. Good. Okay, for the next part, we need what we have painted to be dry. So go ahead and dry it any way you want and come back when it's done. Mine is dry, so I'm going to move on to the red. I have red that I mixed with a little bit of green to kind of dull it down a little bit so it's not so cherry red. Do whatever you guys want to create the color that you like. All right, I'm going to start on the hat. I noticed the pom-pom on my hat was wet, and so the red bled a little bit. So I'm going to dry off my brush completely and use the dry brush to kind of swipe that red color out from there. And then I'm going to get my dry brush again and kind of just pick up some of the pigment on the hat where I want there to be a highlight. Let's work on his cute rosy cheeks. So I just have this pink that I'm watering down, and I'm just going to do 2 round circles above his mustache. Cute. Like it. That's so cute. Grabbing my dark gray color. This is just black watered down, and I'm just going to do the mouth. Just a dark open mouth. Now I'm going to add some details with my micron pen. You can use a pen or a super thin marker, whatever you have around. And I'm going to trace just everything to make it pop a little bit. I'll also speed up this part, so if you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. How come nobody told me I forgot to do his nose? Okay, I'm grabbing this red color again, and I'm going to paint the cute cherry red nose. Ain't Santa without this cute nose. And then I'll finish doing the pen outline. Okay, guys, so this is the part of the painting where I step back and look at how it is, and I'm not loving the color of the skin on Santa. I want it to be a little bit more pigmented, so I'm making another color with my yellow and red, and I am just going to go over everything that I painted. I don't do too much mixing on top of the paper because I don't want everything to get muddied and muddled. Okay, and nobody would know who this was painted by if we didn't sign our name. I'm going to sign my first name just in the bottom under his beard. Yeah, just like that. I love how this little guy turned out. How did yours? I hope it looks different because then that means it has your style and it is reflecting who you are. Thank you so much for painting with me today, guys. See ya.